is a Tesla. Did you know that most Teslas will come from just one country? And you'll never guess the country. See, every electric car has a battery, and every battery is made with this, nickel. It's a raw material that's very hard to get. And guess what? 25% of the world's nickel is just in one country. Welcome to In the past, companies bought the nickel from Indonesia, made the battery in Europe, and sold the car for lots of money. And the country with the nickel made very little money. World trade is broken. Now, countries with nickel, like Indonesia, are waking up, and they're asking car companies to make the battery here, start a factory here, create jobs here, make people rich here, not just buy nickel for very little. That's why Tesla and every other car company will have to make the battery here in Indonesia. So, the next car you buy will make every country rich. And that is how trade should be. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.